Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the top 5 ways to monetize your digital products and generate recurring revenue. If you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or digital marketer, you know that monetizing your digital products can be a challenging task. But worry not, as we've got you covered with these 5 effective strategies that can help you create a sustainable income stream. So, whether you're an ebook author, course creator, or app developer, these tips will help you take your digital products to the next level and make a real impact on your business. So, let's dive in and explore the top 5 ways to monetize your digital products and generate recurring revenue. Subscription-based model. You can offer your digital product on a subscription basis, where customers pay a recurring fee for access to your product. This model is effective for products that are updated regularly, such as software, online courses, and membership sites. If you have a digital product that requires regular updates, such as a software or an online course, the subscription-based model is a great option for you to generate recurring revenue. Instead of charging a one-time fee, you can offer your product on a monthly or yearly subscription basis, where customers pay a recurring fee for access to your product. The benefits of this model are twofold. Firstly, you can generate a steady stream of revenue, as customers are billed on a regular basis. Secondly, you can provide ongoing value to your customers by regularly updating and improving your product. To implement the subscription-based model, you need to determine the frequency of your billing cycle and the pricing structure of your product. You can choose to offer different tiers of subscriptions, each with their own set of features and pricing. It's essential to provide clear and transparent pricing information to your customers, so they know exactly what they're getting and what they're paying for. When you offer a subscription-based model, it's crucial to provide excellent customer service, as customer retention is essential for the success of your business. Providing a high level of support to your subscribers can help build long-lasting relationships with them and foster loyalty towards your brand. The subscription-based model is an effective way to monetize your digital products and generate recurring revenue. By providing ongoing value to your customers and excellent customer service, you can create a sustainable income stream that can help you grow your business over time. Freemium model. This model involves offering a basic version of your digital product for free, with limited features, and then charging customers for access to premium features. This is a great way to attract customers and build your audience before offering paid features. This model is an excellent option for businesses that want to attract customers and build their audience before offering paid features. It allows you to showcase the value of your product to potential customers and increase the likelihood of them upgrading to the paid version. To implement the freemium model, you need to determine which features you'll offer for free and which ones will be available only to paying customers. You can use data analytics to track which features are most popular among your users and use that information to decide which features to include in the paid version. It's essential to strike a balance between the free and paid features, so customers can experience the value of your product without feeling like they're missing out on important features. Another important aspect of the freemium model is to provide excellent customer support to your users. This can help build trust with your audience and increase the likelihood of them upgrading to the paid version. One of the benefits of the freemium model is that it allows you to build a large audience of users who are familiar with your product and are more likely to recommend it to others. This can help increase your reach and ultimately lead to more paying customers. The freemium model is an effective way to monetize your digital products and attract a large audience of potential customers. By providing value to your users and excellent customer support, you can create a sustainable income stream that can help you grow your business over time. A one-time purchase model. The one-time purchase model is a straightforward pricing strategy where customers pay a one-time fee to access your digital product. This model is a popular option for businesses that offer digital products that don't require regular updates or ongoing support. One of the benefits of the one-time purchase model is that it provides customers with a sense of ownership over the product. They can use the product for as long as they want without worrying about additional fees. To implement the one-time purchase model, you need to determine the pricing structure of your product. You can choose to offer different tiers of pricing, each with their own set of features. It's essential to provide clear and transparent pricing information to your customers, so they know exactly what they're getting and what they're paying for. One of the challenges of the one-time purchase model is that it can lead to a fluctuation in revenue. Once a customer purchases your product, they may not come back for additional purchases. However, you can mitigate this by offering additional products or services that complement your original product. This can help increase customer retention and generate additional revenue. The one-time purchase model is an effective way to monetize your digital products, especially if your product doesn't require regular updates or ongoing support. By providing clear pricing information and offering additional products or services, you can create a sustainable income stream that can help you grow your business over time. Upselling model. The upselling model is a pricing strategy that involves offering customers additional products or services after they've made a purchase. This model is a great way to generate additional revenue from your existing customer base. One of the benefits of the upselling model is that it allows you to increase the value of each customer by offering them complementary products or services that enhance their original purchase. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty, as they feel that you're providing them with a complete solution to their needs. To implement the upselling model, you need to identify the complementary products or services that you can offer to your customers. You can use data analytics to understand which products or services are most popular among your customers and use that information to make informed decisions about your upsell offers. It's important to be strategic with your upselling offers and to avoid overwhelming your customers with too many options. You want to make sure that your offers are relevant and useful to your customers and that they're presented in a clear and concise way. Another important aspect of the upselling model is to provide excellent customer support to your customers. This can help build trust with your audience and increase the likelihood of them making additional purchases from you in the future. The upselling model is an effective way to monetize your digital products and generate additional revenue from your existing customer base. By offering complementary products or services and providing excellent customer support, you can create a sustainable income stream that can help you grow your business over time. Affiliate marketing model. The affiliate marketing model is a marketing strategy where you pay other people or businesses a commission for promoting and selling your digital products. This model is a great way to leverage the reach and influence of other people or businesses to generate additional sales for your digital products. One of the benefits of the affiliate marketing model is that it allows you to expand your customer base beyond your own marketing efforts. By partnering with affiliates, you can tap into their existing audience and leverage their trust and influence to promote your products. To implement the affiliate marketing model, you need to identify potential affiliates that have an audience that aligns with your target audience. You can use affiliate networks or reach out to potential affiliates directly to establish partnerships. It's important to establish clear and transparent commission rates and terms with your affiliates to ensure a mutually beneficial partnership. You should also provide your affiliates with the necessary resources and tools to effectively promote your products, such as banners, email templates, and social media posts. One of the challenges of the affiliate marketing model is that you need to track and manage your affiliate sales and commissions accurately. To do this, you can use affiliate tracking software or platforms that help automate the process. The affiliate marketing model is an effective way to monetize your digital products and leverage the reach and influence of other people or businesses to generate additional sales. By identifying potential affiliates, establishing clear terms, and providing resources, you can create a sustainable income stream that can help you grow your business over time. And that wraps up our video on the top 5 ways to monetize your digital products and generate recurring revenue. We hope you found these strategies helpful and insightful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and we'll do our best to respond. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Also, hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.